Hi and welcome. Thank you so much for being here. In this video, I'll show you how to use your funeral photo collage template from my shop, Invity Template on Etsy. If you don't already have this template, I've left the link in the description below. Before we get started, I just want to send my heartfelt support to you and your family. I know if you're here, you're probably going through a difficult time, preparing a meaningful farewell for someone you love. My goal is to make this process as easy as possible for you so you can create a beautiful display of precious memories and honor your loved one in a heartfelt way. How to download your template. After you complete your purchase, you'll receive an email from Etsy with a link to download a PDF file. Make sure to check your spam folder if you don't see it. You can also access your PDF file at any time through your Etsy account by visiting www.etsy.com/your/purchases. When you open the PDF, you'll find a button, just click it, and you'll be taken directly to your Canva template. You can choose either white or black background template. I have two options for you. For more details about downloading files, you can check the link in the PDF or in the description. Just a quick note, this is all automated, so you'll get your email and download link instantly after your payment is complete. You can use this template with a free Canva account. There's no need to sign up for Canva Pro. And if you're new to Canva, it's super easy to register. Just sign up with your Facebook or Google account. Now, once you have your PDF downloaded, open it up and click the template link. This will take you to Canva, where you'll see a button that says View Template and Open in Editor. The exact wording might change, but it will be something similar. Once you open the Canva template link, you'll see that the file appears as a copy of. This means that this template is now your own private copy saved directly to your Canva account. No one else, including myself, can access or edit your file. You can customize and download your collage however you like, with complete privacy and control. And here's a quick tip. Every time you click the template link from the PDF, it will create a brand new copy for you. So if you've already started working on your template and you want to continue, just open Canva and go to your homepage. You'll find your project right there, ready for you to pick up where you left off. Try not to click the PDF link again unless you want to start a fresh new copy. Otherwise, it'll create a separate template each time. Now, let's walk through each step. Step 1. Select your desired size. First, choose the size you want for your collage, like 36 by 48, 28 by 40, 24 by 36, or any other size that suits your needs. Step 2. Choose your favorite layout. Pick the layout you love best. If there are extra pages you don't need, you can delete them to make editing simpler. Step 3. Upload your photos to Canva. On the right-hand side, click on Uploads, then add your photos from your computer or device. Step 4. Drag and drop your photos. Drag your photos into the frames. Double-click any photo to resize, crop, or move it around until you're happy with the placement. Step 5. Edit names, dates, and details. Click on the text to edit the name, dates, or any other details you'd like to personalize. Step 6. Customize calligraphy-style text. If you'd like to adjust the calligraphy text, just type your own words. You can also remove the decorative swash or tail if you want a cleaner look. Step 7. Download your finished pages. When you're all done, click the Share button in the top right, then select Download. Choose PNG as the file type, and your files will be saved as a zip file, ready for printing at home or at your local print shop. And that's it. If you have any questions or need help, just send me a message on Etsy. I'm always here for you, and I'll do my best to get back to you as soon as possible. If you have suggestions or feedback, I'd love to hear from you too. Thank you again for trusting me with this special part of your journey. Wishing you comfort, peace, and beautiful memories as you honor